Going to show you how to do an update, a record update from a portal A to a portal B in HubSpot. So if you have like two systems, so I'm going to show you how to do the the update. So as you can see here, update a contact. For instance, this is an example, but as we're going to do with a custom object. So update a contact or a record uh, or a unique property value provided. Property value will be overwritten. Read only and non-existent property will result in error. Property value can be cleared by passing an empty string. So this is our documentation. The way that HubSpot is showing us how to do this. And then I'm gonna also put this info, this link here into the under the description. So now let's go to the script. So we have our script here already. So the first thing we are searching in the script, we're searching for a record. If a record is found in the portal B, so what we're going to do is we check the record. If the record exists, then don't do anything. So if the record exists, then create the record. Yeah, if the record don't exist, create the record, and then after that, exchange the record IDs. So as you can see, we have record ID, and then you can see we're changing record ID there. So now, how do we do the update? So it's basic. So what we're gonna do is just to duplicate this one here. So and then after that, what we're gonna do now here. So we're duplicating this one. So so this put it to the bottom. Yeah, so we don't need that one. So record created successfully. So here is a record updated. All right, so now we really don't need this one here. So we just need to sync this. Okay, so the only thing we're gonna change here, let's say we're gonna call this one update. So we're pushing our parameters, and then after that here we have our custom objects. So here we're gonna just change to update, lowercase, update, and then here update record. Okay, so update record. Okay, so this is the way that you do. So it's like a very basic. All right, so the script, what is gonna do, so the script is checking. We do the filter to check first of all if the ID exists. So if the ID do not exist, it's going to create a record and then put the ID to exchange the ID for future use. And then if the data is there present, and then what we're gonna do is gonna do the update, as you can see here. So this code here is gonna run into that as well. So this is the way that you do the update. So we're gonna test this one out. So let's just change our stuff here. Data update, then data update. Okay, so we have it there. So now, as you can see here, day one was creating the record there. So you're gonna need to have the ID so that you must know which things to update. Okay, so now let's test our code. So let's go first of all update something here. I change this one to John Doe. Okay. All right. So here, um, okay. So now what we're gonna pass here, we want to pass the ID. So the ID of the stuff that we're going to pass is we're gonna have to call it here. We did not call it here, so it's integrations ID. Yeah, portal BID. So we can also define a portal BID there. Okay, so now is we're gonna put stats there so that you guys know which one we are going to target. All right. Okay. So now let's test our codes. We change the underway. So let's save first. Okay. So now here we go, and then we're gonna do exam 4. We're check texting exam 4. Okay. And now with exam 4 that we're going to test, now what's gonna happen here? So with exam 4, tests. Text exam 4 successfully updated. So now let's go check if John Doe has been updated. As you can see there, John Doe has been updated. All right, so this is the way that you do the update. And then, yeah, so if you want to take the code and then put it in ChatGPT or any AI to make it more really nice, you can also do so. So yeah, so this is the way that you do your update. Thank you so much.